In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Slack to Intercom. By the end, you'll have the Intercom app added to your Slack workspace so conversations and updates can flow right into Slack, helping your team stay responsive without switching tools. Start by opening your browser and going to app.slack.com. Make sure you're signed in and looking at the correct workspace, especially if you're part of multiple workspaces. If you don't have permission to install apps, that's okay. You can still follow along and request approval from your admin when prompted. Once Slack is open, look to the left sidebar and click More. If your sidebar is collapsed, hover to expand it or click the small arrow to reveal additional options. The More menu is where Slack groups helpful features that aren't always visible by default. From there, click on Tools. This section organizes Slack's built-in utilities and the paths that lead to the app directory. It's a quick way to get to the right place without digging through settings. Next, click Apps. This opens the Slack app directory inside your workspace. Think of it as Slack's marketplace, where you can browse and install integrations that extend Slack's capabilities. In the search bar, type Intercom. You should see the official Intercom app appear in the results. Click it to open the app's page. Take a moment to skim the description and the permissions it requires so you know exactly what access the integration will have in Slack. Now, click Install. Depending on your workspace settings, you may be asked to confirm that you want to proceed or to request approval. If a browser tab opens, that's normal. The directory sometimes launches in your default browser for installation. When prompted, click Add to Slack. This is the final confirmation that attaches the Intercom app to your current workspace. If you're asked to choose a workspace, double check that it's the right one, then continue. You might see a permissions screen, review it, and approve to complete the connection. Once the app is added, you'll see Intercom appear under Apps in your Slack sidebar. You can open it to view setup tips, and you can right-click to pin it for quick access. From here, your team can start using Intercom inside Slack, making it simple to receive updates and collaborate faster. That's it. You went to app.slack.com, clicked More, opened Tools, selected Apps, searched Intercom, clicked Install, and finished with Add to Slack. If you run into approval prompts, just send the request to your admin and retry once it's approved. Thanks for watching and enjoy the smoother workflow.